Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using the contact list and directly from it you can block a number which is currently saved, or you can enter it manually without the need to save it on your contacts. And of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Let's go to your contacts and find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on the 3-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, this number is blocked. We've got this characteristic icon, so it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way. Just tap on the 3-dot icon and tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave this reindeer blocked. We will check if it will appear on the block list. So let's get back and let me show you another way to block a number. As I said, it is, let's say, using the settings. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the 3-dot icon and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. And as I said, in this type of blocking you will be able to manually enter a number, so simply add a number here, and as you can see we've got the place to enter the number manually using this keypad. So let's tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Yes. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, so after activating that just by tapping on the switcher, your device will be allowed to block all calls from unidentified callers. So this is quite a cool option if you want to get rid of some strange callers. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you would like to unblock the numbers, all you have to do is to simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.